So good evening everyone. So my name is Jericho Salad and I'm here with my colleagues, my classmate. So before we start with a question number one. So I have a question for you. So, the question is, who is Jose Rizal to you?
Jose Rizal was a Filipino nationalist, writer, and revolutionary who played a key role in fight against Spanish colonial rule in the Philippines. He was born.
Good morning everyone. So my name is Jericho Salad and I'm here with my classmates Liani Jane Lipatuan. He's the one I chose to interview. So my question to you, Ms. Liani Jane Lipatuan, is who is Jose Rizal?
Jose Rizal was a Filipino nationalist, writer, and revolutionary who played a key role in the fight against Spanish colonial rule in the Philippines. He was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna. Rizal was highly educated and fluent in many languages. He is best known for his novels Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. Noli Me Tangere means in English, Touch Me Not, which exposed the abuses and injustices of Spanish authorization.
That is a very nice answer to the question number one. So let's proceed with the question number two. Why was he shot to death?
Rizal was executed by firing squad on December 30, 1896 at Bagumbayan, now known as Luneta, Manila. He was accused of being involved with the Philippines revolutions against Spain, even though he did not support violence. His writings and ideas inspired many Filipinos to seek freedom, which made the Spanish government see him as a threat. They changed him with seditions, rebellion, and conspiracy.
So that is a very nice question and it's detailed. So let's proceed to the question number two. Why is he our national hero?
Jose Rizal is considered the national hero of the Philippines because of his peaceful and powerful resistance to Spanish colonization through education, reform, and literature. He awakened the Filipino spirit and national identity through his writings and sacrifices. Unlike other leaders who choose to fight with weapons, Rizal fought with his pen and ideas, which made a lasting impact at the country's history and independence.
So that is a nice answer for the last question. So thank you for participating on my video and thank you for accepting my request to interview and it's a short question. Thank you, Ms. Lenny.
Anyway.